Hello friends, I'm Monica. Welcome to Fun Gardening. Today's video is about neem oil spray. How we can make neem oil spray. It is the safest method of preventing our plants from pests and fungus, insects. Even in vegetable gardens, we should use neem oil spray instead of using chemical pesticide in our on our ornamental plants. Also we should not use chemical pesticides as they are not good for our plants, our pets and children at home. So to make this neem oil pesticide, take some warm water. I have taken some warm water in a glass. Add half teaspoon of any mild soap, any organic mild soap or dishwash soap, or you can take Dove soap also. Some half a teaspoon shavings of Dove soap. Dissolve that in water, in warm water. Stir it well. But you should not don't use detergent powder because they contain bleach. Bleach is not good for plant. That will harm your plant. Stir it very properly with the help. You can use a stirrer also or a whisk also to stir it well. To dissolve this soap completely in water, you can use whisk also. Mix it very well in water, and after mixing this soap in water, take neem oil. Neem oil you can purchase from any agricultural shop or from any medical shop. Cold pressed neem oil is the best option, but any neem oil you can use. Take 1 spoon of neem oil in a spoon, and 1 teaspoon or 1 normal spoon you can take. Now we will add this neem oil in the water. Pour it gradually and keep stirring the water. You can use any brand of neem oil. Cold pressed is the best. Pour the neem oil gradually in the water and stir it well, so that neem oil mixes well in the warm water. Otherwise neem oil will form a separate layer because water has different density than oil. It will form a layer. So keep it, stir it well. Keep on stirring while pouring the oil to mix it well. Now mix this solution in 1 liter of warm water. Water should be warm. If we use this spray, use always warm water. Warm water will work well. So close the bottle and stir the water well to mix the solution properly in the water. Then when we this now this solution is ready, and this can be used for 8 hours, and after 8 hours you will have to make the new spray solution. This will work up to 8 hours. The spraying time, use this in the morning or in the evening after the sunset. Don't use this oil during the daytime. That will cause burning or burning marks on your leaves. Now spray it very well on the leaves, stems, especially on the lower sides of the leaves, as mostly the pests are found on the lower side of the leaves. Like this, spray it very well, especially as I said on the lower side of the leaves. And neem oil solution is a systemic, it is a pesticide as well as fungicide. The best option for your home gardens. Systemic pesticide or fungicide means that we can add it to the soil also. Give it to the soil, add it to the soil, and the roots will absorb the neem oil solution, and internally through the conductive tissue, the solution will reach each and every cell of the plant. But along with along with the soil application, foliar application is must, because when this neem oil internally reaches to each and every cell, but sometimes the insects don't eat the leaves. When we apply it on the leaves also, the insects stay away from the leaves because of its bitter taste and smell. And even when they sit on leaves, the neem oil enters their body and disrupts their hormonal system. Because of that, they stop eating, and their hunger dies, and eventually they perish. So friends, this was the mechanism of neem oil spray, how it works. So this video was all about how we can make neem oil and how it works. It is the safest insecticide or fungicide we should use in our vegetable garden and in our home garden. So friends, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Okay friends, bye.